Here, back with another video. And today we're going to be talking about intros and outros. Alright, so the website that we're going to be using for our intros and outros is the very website that I use for my own intros and outros. So it's called Panzoid.com, and this has video editors. It has intros and outros. I only use it for the intros and outros, but you could also use the video editor if you want. So once you're in here, you can actually find the curation you want. And as you can see, it just says name or your name. Now, I'm going to be teaching you how to change this because, of course, I know what I'm doing. You saw it in my own videos. Right. So once you pick the one that you like, you're going to go into it. And right after it loads, you can just see stuff. I don't know. For me, for some reason, whenever I record these videos, I have bad luck. It's not loading in here, so you could use the 3D mode by not selecting that. But I'm pretty sure most of the time it should work. So then what you're going to do is you're going to click on this 3D object section. It looks like a 3D square. That's where I was going. And then wherever it says template or whatever name, thanks for watching, you're going to want to click that and change the name to whatever you want. So I'll just do a random hello. And then if there's more than one, like as you can see here, it looks messed up because the other ones say template. You're going to have to change them all to whatever you want. Make sure to hit enter. You could also change the font. Oh yeah. Alright. So I guess there's more templates. This is what happened to me last time. You gotta make sure. I don't know if it's just me. If I randomly hit the. Alright. So now we finished all of them. Now to preview it, you can go into here and watch it. Yeah, so if you like that intro, if you don't, you could always go and find a different one. Then you're going to want to go to the download section. I have not really done this in a while, but you select what you want, and then you start this. It will take a decent amount of time to download, so just give it some time. It will be worth it once you have that good intro or outro. Right, so now let's get on with how to do the end card of your video. So what you're going to want to do is go to YouTube Studio, and then you're going to go to your outro. But you want your intro and outro all combined with your normal video. So, that's just fun. So I'll just go into one of my previous videos and work on it because that wasn't long enough, as you saw. So, you're going to want to find it. Oh, right here, end screen. Okay. So, for mine, it appears like the end screen appears slightly after. So it starts to do it. And then my end screen appears. You want to put your end screen as soon as your name pops up. That's how you will be doing it. I thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and smash that like button for more amazing content like this. I hope you guys have an amazing day.